Hey chick, so today I want to show you how to make DIY needlepoint cufflinks. So this ended up being a very simple and easy DIY. I was pretty surprised. I did all of this in one evening, maybe in like an hour and a half I was able to do this all. So I made these for my boyfriend, but I need to make a pair for my friend that just turned 30. I figured this would be the perfect gift for him because he wears cufflinks all the time to work. Anyway, I'll show you the process as I make it. This project is great because you can just use some scrap canvas. So if you finish like an 18 mesh canvas and you just have like extra canvas, blank canvas around the border, you just kind of use that. So what you'll need are these cufflink frames. I just got mine on Amazon. Again, you'll need that canvas. And what I did, I just took this frame and I traced it on the canvas. And then from there I painted it, did the letter. There are a lot of great resources on Pinterest as far as lettering goes and finding fonts that you like. So I didn't necessarily need that reference for this just because it's a very basic kind of lettering, but you can get fun with it if you want. So yeah, you take the frame, you trace it on the canvas, you paint it, and then you'll just stitch it as you normally would. I just went with a very basic tent stitch. I ended up painting the canvas this lovely green color, but then I figured, well, maybe a dark green would be better suited for his suits, essentially, for work. As much as I love this fun green, I figured like a hunter kind of evergreen would be a little bit better for him. So yeah, I'm just gonna show you this one. I still have to stitch this one, but I wanted to film this before the lighting was kind of meh. These were attached, I just cut those apart. And then from there, actually I'll flip you around so I can show you what I'm actually doing. Okay, so much better. So I have the scrap canvas here. I have these frames. And again, you just trace, paint, and stitch. I'll set that one aside. This one is all ready to go. I'm just gonna cut around this, trim it a bit. Doesn't have to be perfect. It's all kind of like frayed and weird anyway, so it'll be grand. Now, I'm just taking this piece of felt, and this is gonna act as kind of like a batting. Like for these, it kind of has that puff look, and that's because of the felt in it. It kind of gives it a little bit of dimension. From here, I'm just trimming a little piece, and then I'll cut that into a little circle. Doesn't have to be perfect by any means. We strive for good enough. This will end up looking fabulous when it's done. So with that done, I'm gonna take that, just flip it upside down. So now I'm just taking some glue. You can use tacky glue, you can use really whatever you want, but I just happen to have this on hand here, and this is very heavy duty. I'm just applying that glue, just a little bit. I'm gonna stick that on. I'm just gonna kind of fold the canvas, kind of let the canvas have some memory for that shape, you know. Some little pieces are flipping off, that's okay. Now, before I glue it, and actually like finish it, I'm just gonna fit it into the frame, make sure size-wise it's works well. So for this one, what I did, I stitched a little bit over that traced circle, basically so no canvas would show. I ran into that issue with the other pair, but you know, you live and you learn, it's fine. Still looks really good. I'm really just kind of like shoving that stuff down. Now I'm just gonna put some glue in the frame. You're just gonna stick it in. There's one done. Here's an example of a complete set.